Have you ever felt that your programming mentor is manipulating you rather than guiding you? This unsettling reality is more common than you might think, and recognizing the warning signs can mean the difference between growth and being trapped in a toxic relationship. In a world where AI is reshaping mentorship, ethical dilemmas are emerging, and they can have serious consequences for your career. Imagine this: you are burning the midnight oil, fueled by your mentor's encouragement, only to realize they are not just supportive, they are controlling your every move. What seems like motivation could actually be a red flag. Many mentorship platforms promise personalized advice, but often mentors prioritize their own interests, steering you toward projects that serve them rather than fostering your development. You might feel like you are learning, but are you just a pawn in their game? But are you just a pawn in the Consider the excitement of a new project, only to find your mentor claiming credit for your ideas. Doubt creeps in, and isolation follows. What drives this toxic dynamic? A troubling mix of ambition and ego can blind mentors to your needs, creating a dependency that's hard to escape. As you start to recognize these signs, the pressure mounts. You may feel trapped by expectations, wanting to succeed at any cost, even if it means sacrificing your own well-being. Wanting, your always you. Can you imagine the weight of that burden? You have the power to reclaim your journey. Acknowledge your worth, set clear boundaries, and seek mentors who genuinely uplift you. Remember, mentorship should empower you, not entrap you. Before diving back into your coding projects, take a moment to reflect. Is your mentor truly invested in your growth, or are they merely pursuing their ambitions? Your career deserves the clarity that comes from ethical guidance. Don't let yourself be misled. Have you ever wondered if your mentor might be feeling overwhelmed? Imagine you are in a virtual meeting, hanging on their every word, but something feels off. The excitement in their voice sounds forced, and their responses are slower than usual. Those subtle signs could indicate something deeper. Mentorship platforms are becoming increasingly popular, yet many don't realize the mounting pressure on mentors, especially with the rapid changes brought by AI technology. Think about your mentor, once full of energy and fresh ideas, now staring blankly at a screen. They were juggling multiple mentees, deadlines, and the overwhelming presence of AI tools meant to assist them. They genuinely care about guiding you, but beneath their professional facade, anxiety is building. But beneath their what happens when the systems designed to help them become a source of stress? Your mentor might be using it to streamline their advice, but these platforms often miss the nuances of human connection. When algorithms replace genuine insights, the ethical dilemmas surrounding AI and mentorship can create hidden pressures for mentors. Picture your mentor facing countless questions, each one draining their mental resources. They want to provide a personalized guidance, yet the demands of AI systems push them toward automated responses. though they risk losing their unique voice and authenticity. This tension can leave them feeling isolated, even as they support you on your journey. You might be asking, "What can I do about it?" Recognizing the signs of your mentor's stress can lead to a meaningful conversation. Instead of just seeking answers, check in with them. Ask how they are managing. This simple act can change their dynamic, allowing both of you to navigate these complexities together. As you consider this, think about the broader implications. Are we ready to address the ethical challenges that A brings to mentorship? By acknowledging the human side of our mentors, we can foster a more supportive environment that benefits everyone involved. So, the next time you sense your mentor might be feeling overwhelmed, take that step. Start a conversation. Remember, it's not just about the knowledge they share, but the journey you both embark on together. Together, you can redefine the mentorship experience in this fast-changing technological world. Imagine spending weeks in a programming mentorship only to realize you've been missiled. It's unsettling, right? Many new learners often overlook the ethical issues that can lurk behind mentorship platforms. You're eager to learn, perhaps even a bit desperate, so you sign up for a mentorship. But what if your mentor isn't the guiding light you hoped for? What if they were more focused on their own success than yours? This concern is increasingly common in tech communities, and it can be more subtle than you think. As you dive deeper into coding, you might notice your mentor rarely offers constructive feedback. Instead, they often spotlight their own achievements, diverting attention from your growth. This isn't just frustrating, it's a significant warning sign. The real question is, why are they behaving this way? Imagine it being in a virtual meeting where your mentor rushes through a complex topic. When you ask questions, they brush you off, leaving you feeling confused and disheartened. You might wonder, is it me, or is something off? It's easy to doubt yourself, but often the real issue lies in the mentor's lack of ethical responsibility. Consider this: some mentors prioritize their status over your learning and may have financial incentives influencing their guidance. Would you trust someone whose motives are driven by personal gain? Remember, mentorship should be about collaboration, not competition. If your mentor isn't celebrating your achievements or investing in your success, that's a major red flag. You deserve someone who fosters open dialogue, not just a one-way street of self-promotion. What happens if you continue with a mentor like this? You could be steering your career down a troubling path filled with misinformation and frustration. The programming world is vast,